Let's talk some Crowdstrike because your guy Ives, who you mentioned earlier, says maintain outperform. Price target, though, I'm raising to 330 from 315. It's about to bump up against the old one anyway. What do you think here?
I think that the way that they have overcome this this issue really should be studied. Like corporate comms professionals and PR firms and in colleges across America, they should look at this as like a case study. When you really screw something up badly, what do you do about it? And this was like as big as it gets. This was a global issue, shut down all the airlines. So I think we're like with every passing day, it's moving into the rear view, and people are refocusing on the fundamentals of Crowdstrike, the competitive advantages that the company's platform has. And so long as that's the case, I think the stock works. So I never sold a share, sitting long, didn't panic, and I hope other people didn't panic either.
All right, Cheniere, top pick at BofA. Jimmy, you own the stock. Target's 215. So nice little upside that they expect. They expect free cash flow inflecting towards $20 a share.
And I completely agree. I'm not sure I would make it my top pick, but it's definitely in a portfolio of 25 stocks. It's in the upper quintile of stocks.
They probably have a list of top picks that they've probably added it to, but I digress. Please continue.
Yeah, you know, it was the superlative, the top. Anyway, look, it's a great company. What it does is LNG exports. I think there may be a play here if Republicans take over the White House and or Congress, that the moratorium on building new export terminals will be removed. That should be bullish for liquefied natural gas. On the other hand, they already have all the export terminals in operation that they need, but still the sentiment should improve. I do agree with the pick, whether it's the top pick or amongst the top picks.
All right. Okay. Thank you. 3M, Josh, target 146. The old one was 105.
Yeah.
So they needed to raise it because 105 was so long ago.
Yeah.
Mizuho, they call it neutral, which sort of matches with what I'm talking about. Go ahead.
Look, I get it because it's not a cheap stock anymore. It was cheap when I bought into it. I know Stephanie is long. You own this? 3M? No,
I do not.
Some other people on the show.
It sounds like something I should.
Stephanie does.
This sounds like a Lebenthal special. Yeah. Anyway, it's not a cheap stock anymore, and it's highly cyclical. and when cyclicals are selling at the upper end of the historic valuation range, if you're a shareholder, the question has to be like, all right, well, what next? The thing here, though, is it's going to be such a long period of time as the turnaround takes place and they start lapping the bad news of last year and the year before, that I still think there's room for upside surprise and improvements to the business. And you have new management. You don't know where they're going to take this company. So I'm willing to stick around. I have a stop loss, but I'm willing to stick with it. I get the neutral rating, though.
He likes 2C over 3M. You get it?
No.
Cleveland Cliffs.
Oh, God. I thought we were doing anti-bullying day.
Came up with that.
Seriously.
Come on. I thought that was funny.
Remember he liked JCPenney, just saying?
I know, but that doesn't go with the joke. Doesn't go with the joke.
This is the anti-.
Doesn't go with the joke.
Sorry.
Abbott Labs, price target also at Mizuho to 130 from 115.
Yeah, well, they
Carrie.
passed 115, so good move, guys. They had a decent quarter. It was better than expected. They're turning things around with nutrition, much better on the COVID testing front than anyone anticipated. And diagnostics looks good. Buying back stock, we continue to think it has upside.
Okay, Abbvie gets a call today. Bernstein initiating on biopharma. Market perform. Jimmy, you call it a full position, 203.
Yeah, I think it's
a
market
price target there.
I think it's a market outperform, frankly. I mean, it's a very forgiving valuation in the high teens, nice 3% dividend yield, and management has done simply a fabulous job of taking care of the Humira patent cliff expiration there. They've replaced it with Skyrizi and Rinvoq. They've made key acquisitions, and now they're bringing out the schizophrenia drug. This is market outperform.
Well, it's not on their list, but Amgen is, and Lilly is, and Gilead is, and yet no one owns that. Care why?
You know, I think that these stocks have been suffering for years, and they're all trading at 11 to 14 times earnings, and people are waiting to see something. And Lilly is different, of course, but if you're talking about Gilead, example, Pfizer, Bristol Myers, all of the bigger names, you know, it's show me your new products. Let's see them get on the market and do $1 billion in sales, which I think is starting to come. I mean, I think it'll happen with Amgen. I think Bristol Myers is a good one also.
All right.